In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a user in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're dealing with disruptive behavior or simply need to tidy up your contact list, this guide will walk you through the process, ensuring your team's environment remains a place of productivity and harmony. First, let's start by logging into Microsoft Teams. Open your web browser or desktop application and navigate to the Microsoft Teams homepage. You'll want to sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Teams dashboard, which is your command center for all your collaborative activities. From here, you can access chats, files, meetings, and more. Now that you're signed in, let's move on to managing your contacts. If there's a particular user you'd like to block, all you need to do is hover your cursor over their profile. This can typically be done within a chat window or within your contacts list. As you hover over their name, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing next to their profile. This icon is commonly referred to as the More Options menu. It's your key to additional settings and controls for that specific user or chat. Click on these 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu presents several actions you can take, but for today, our focus is on the option to block the user. By blocking someone, you effectively prevent them from contacting you via chats and calls on Microsoft Teams. This is an essential feature if you're receiving unwanted messages or need a break from specific interactions. Now go ahead and select the block option from the menu, confirm your decision if prompted, and just like that you've successfully blocked the user. They will no longer be able to send you messages or call you, and your workspace will remain distraction free. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control over your digital workspace and maintain a productive environment. In conclusion, blocking a user in Microsoft Teams is straightforward and can be crucial in managing your professional space. It's about knowing your options and ensuring you have a clutter-free and harassment-free platform to facilitate your work. Remember, you can always unblock users later if situations change, giving you the flexibility to manage your contact list with ease. Thank you for tuning into this quick tutorial. Be sure to check out our other guides for more tips on maximizing your productivity with Microsoft Teams. Stay productive, stay focused, and we'll see you in the next video.